cookie pie s'mores style. This is a real family favourite in our household. It's a complete showstopper for the table. You will need 200 grams of soft or melted butter, 135 grams of muscovado sugar, and 75 grams of granulated sugar. Give this all a good mix. And then add 2 eggs. Then add 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then add 360 grams of plain flour. And 200 grams of chocolate chips. And a pinch of salt. Then you'll want to refrigerate the dough for 30 minutes. Then start layering the base with biscuits. I used malted milk biscuits. And then use half of your cookie dough mix to place on top of the biscuits. This will act as your base. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, you can use your hands to press down the cookie dough onto the biscuits. Then bake for 12 minutes. Once out of the oven, you no need to wait until it cools down. Simply place your large marshmallows on top of the mixture. Use as many as you can squeeze into the base. Push these down slightly into the dough. And then add your milk chocolate. Then cover with the rest of your cookie dough. Making sure to seal any gaps. Then place this back in the oven and bake for a further 20 minutes. Okay, let it cool completely before cutting into it. Please like and subscribe for weekly recipes. Thank you for watching.